Mr. Shell here with once again another burning video. I thought I actually finished these, but apparently I haven't, because I discovered an MDF file. The .mdf file, the file that gives people a lot of trouble, and this is how you burn them. And you actually have to use alcohol 120. This is the most simplest way to do it through this program specifically. You can do it through Nero, you can do it through DVD Decryptor, but it takes a few steps like making it into an ISO and so on, and I might make a video on how to do that later on, or maybe not, depending if I have time. So let's begin. First of all, we need to get alcohol 120 out, and that thing needs to go away. There we go. Anyway, get alcohol 120% out. I've got the trial version here, and I think that's all you will need. Get a blank disc, and depending on what size your game is, you will need either a double layer disc or a normal disc. Sometimes you will probably need a normal disc, but a double layer is required on occasions. And just before anyone starts commenting, you need to have a modded PS2. If you know you haven't done anything to your PS2, then you will not be able to play this game. You need to have a modded PS2, either a mod chip or swap magic. So I hope you get that, and don't post a comment because you need a modded PS2. And okay, let's get down to some burning. So go to image burning wizard, and find your MDF file. Mine just happens to be located here. The thing is, an MDF file comes with there's an MDF file, the big one, and there's an MDS file, the smaller one. Do not delete the smaller one. This is why it's so important in this. You need to get it there, just click it and open it, and it will open, and it'll find the other MDF file right there. So that's like its locator. I don't think you can open an MDF file that's an MDS, or you can make its own MDS, I'm not sure, but just narrow down on the complications and do not delete the MDS file or get it again. Okay, so now we've put it in, we go to next and we stick our stuff down. Select your drive and select your speed. My drive and my disk supports 8 times speed and 4 times speed. I'm choosing 4 times speed because it's more specific. It may take longer and it may get a little annoying waiting, but it will do it more accurately. So just pick that. If you need, before you start commenting again, you need to actually put your disk in, and you need to check your drive, and you will get these settings. If you don't put your disk in and you don't check your drive, you will not actually get a bunch of settings. It will give you like 1 times, 2 times, 4 times, 100 times. You need to actually put your disk in so the computer knows what disk you're using, because you can't guess. So there's loads of different disks. This can stay the same because there's no other thing there, and of course we can just go down here and press PS2, which is again a little bit important. Change the settings again, I forgot to do that bit. That's quite important. So it's encoding for the PS2 and nothing else, just the PS2. Okay, so now we can start, and you need to put your disk in and so on, and it's going. So there's the buffer, there's my CPU crap, there's the overall progress right there. So that is how you basically burn an MDF file with an MDS file, which is required, and you can hear my drive going. So thanks again for watching. This has been how to burn an MDF file using alcohol 120. If you have any questions, do comment, and if you ask any questions that I've already answered, like why is my PS2 not playing this, and what type of speed it is, which are probably one of the most common questions I get, I already answered, and I will not answer if maybe someone else will, but again I have answered the question, and thanks again for watching. Subscribe.